Strapi in 60 seconds. What is Strapi, you might ask? Strapi is an open-source headless CMS built with Node.js. It's more than a Node.js framework, it saves development time which helps you focus on the front end. Strapi is developed by a skilled team in France. The first release of Strapi was in 2017 v3 alpha. Okay, let's go to the code. We install Strapi using npx create Strapi at latest. To use Quick Start, we add the Quick Start tag to the command. After the installation, we open our browser to localhost 1337 admin.